Wie viel kostet das?
Wie viel kostet sie denn? Die Maul.
Hello, all you charming language learners out there. Welcome to our fun journey through the wonderful world of languages. Today we're diving into a very useful German phrase, wie viel kostet, which translates to, how much does it cost in English? Get ready to learn and have a bit of a giggle with some delightful movie clips. Let's kick things off with our first clip where someone is about to find out the price of a well-deserved purchase. Pay attention to how they ask for the price.
Junger Mann.
Darf ich?
Ja, natürlich.
Das hat sie sich verdient. Wie viel kostet das?
How's that for straightforward? They just wanted to know how much it was, and there you have it, a perfect everyday use of wie viel kostet?
Wie viel kostet das?
Next up, we've got a humorous spin where the cost of something quite unconventional is queried, a whole wall. Let's watch how they swing this in conversation.
Verkauf doch einfach die Scheißmauer und lass die Leute alle rüber.
Wie viel kostet sie denn? Die Maul.
I was just really surprised. I was just...
Unterhalt? 316 Millionen pro Jahr.
That escalated quickly, didn't it? From suggesting to sell the wall to finding out its maintenance cost? This is a cheeky example of using wie viel kostet?
Wie viel kostet sie denn? Die Maul.
Now, let's check out this scene where someone is curious about the price of a car with specific features. Notice the casualness in how the question is embedded in the talk.
Klimatisierte Kabine, günstiger Spritverbrauch, nackt.
Boah.
Wie viel kostet denn der?
250.
And just like that, you know how to inquire about price in the middle of marveling at something cool or desirable. The phrase, wie viel kostet, really comes in handy.
Wie viel kostet denn der?
For our final treat, watch this woman inquire about jewelry prices even though she doesn't have enough money.
Und wie viel kostet dieser hier?
2000.
Holland test. This is for you.
950.
Even in those situations, knowing how to politely ask for prices using wie viel kostet is a skill that can make conversations go smoothly.
Und wie viel kostet...
And there you have it, folks! You're now a little wiser on how to ask about prices in German. Can you think of something you're curious to know the price of in German right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments.